Hey, you, yes, you, the one scrolling through YouTube, doubting yourself, wondering if you're good enough, smart enough, or capable enough. What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and your dreams is you? Self-doubt is a liar, and today, we're exposing it. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to silence that voice in your head, believe in yourself, and unlock a level of productivity you didn't think was possible. Let's get started. Self-doubt is something we all face. It's that little voice that says, you're not ready, you're not good enough, or what if you fail? But here's the truth, self-doubt doesn't define you. It's just a habit, and habits can be broken. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful strategies to overcome self-doubt, believe in yourself, and skyrocket your productivity. These strategies have worked for me, and they'll work for you too. Let's dive in. Acknowledge your self-doubt. The first step to overcoming self-doubt is to recognize it. When that voice creeps in, don't ignore it, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, okay, I'm feeling doubt right now, but that doesn't mean it's true. Self-doubt is just a thought, not a fact. Write down your doubts and challenge them. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have that this is true? Most of the time, you'll realize there's no real basis for it. Reframe your inner dialogue. Your mind is powerful, and the words you tell yourself shape your reality. Instead of saying, I can't do this, reframe it to, I'm learning how to do this. Replace I'm not good enough with I'm growing and improving every day. Positive affirmations might feel awkward at first, but over time, they rewire your brain to believe in your potential. Write down 3 affirmations every morning and say them out loud. For example, I am capable, I am resilient, I am enough. Take small, consistent actions. Self-doubt thrives in inaction. The more you procrastinate, the louder that voice gets. Break your goals into small, manageable steps. Instead of saying, I need to write a book, start with, I'll write 1 paragraph today. Small wins build confidence and momentum. Celebrate every little victory, it's proof that you're moving forward. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your mindset. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. If someone constantly makes you feel small, it's time to set boundaries. Fill your life with positive influences, books, podcasts, and communities that encourage growth. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Visualize your success. Visualization is a game changer. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture the details, how it feels, what it looks like, and who's celebrating with you. This isn't just daydreaming, it's training your brain to believe in your success. When self-doubt creeps in, go back to that vision. Remind yourself why you started and where you're headed. Self-doubt doesn't disappear overnight, but every time you challenge it, you get stronger. Start today. Acknowledge your doubts, reframe your thoughts, take small actions, surround yourself with positivity, and visualize your success. You have everything you need to succeed, it's already inside you. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build a community of believers, not doubters. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. See you in the next video.